Welcome back, guys. Next up that I'm gonna do is the Peterbilt 359 conventional without the trailer. I already opened up the package and the hood, it's all kind of like snapped together. You can see it'll snap onto those. And the cab is notched to snap in right there to the frame, which is kind of cool. Should make it a little easier. In the package you get all of your tires, your glass, headlights, windshield's got the windshield wipers built in, the front fenders, mud flaps, tanks, all of the engine pieces, the dashboard, seats, fan, part of the wheels, the interior bucket with a built-in bed, steering wheel, looks like part of the rear end there, more flaps, and then all of the chrome, the grille, the wheels, mirrors, just a little bit more chrome on this one. Front bumper, the steps, the stacks, diesel tanks, and then the instructions, and also the decal sheet, which also has the 92204 numbers off of the box here. I don't know if you can see that. Should be pretty cool. Hopefully have it done tomorrow. Thanks for watching.